Everybody, it's I'm 46 Blitz, and this is the Rookie Bidder, Rookie Biddy Pro. Let me start. Okay, 643boxbreaks.com presents the Rookie Bidder promo. Yeah, how about that? I'm 46 Blitz, and this is the random team assignment for that for this promo that we offered. Here's the thing you probably saw here. There's a free box break for anybody for 30 lucky people that were were a first-time bidder with any of the auctioneers or hosts on 643boxbreaks.com. You got a free slot in a 2012-13 Artifacts box. So I've been diligent trying to give everybody emails, lots of information of what's going on, and the slot selection process ended at 7 o'clock, and it is now 7:37, so you can check the timestamp on that post on the thread, which again, I gave to you numerous times in emails, the link for that, and you can see the time now, so it was not done beforehand. So, here is the roster, or slot owner list, for the free box of 2012-13 Artifacts, and there's a serial number there, ending in 046, which I will show you in a second. So, anybody didn't pick a slot, I filled the roster alphabetically by username for the first available slot. So, 4670 Elk Killer, who's a rookie bidder in somebody's break, can't remember whose. You got slot number 1. You know what, I'm not going to read this, I'm just going to show it to you on the camera. It's the same list as posted on the forum. Take forever to read it. Don't call me the Mushmouth for nothing. I ain't gonna, that won't end well if I try to read all that. Okay. Alright, so, the way I do my random team assignments, I do not use random.org, because that would be just too easy. What I have is I have 2 decks of cards, one being purple, one being yellow. The purple deck are my NHL team cards, so all 30 teams are represented. And the yellow deck are player cards with prominent jersey numbers shown, or like famous like star players that have a well-known jersey number. So, for example, this here is Thomas Vanek, and his number is 26. So what I do is I draw one team card, and then I draw one player card here, and the slot number corresponds to the jersey number. So, for example, if I draw the Oil, it goes to slot 26. And I record all that down, and we go from there, and then we break in 24 hours after a 24-hour trading period. So I'll do some shuffling here. I'll try and do some shuffling here. Some people like this method, some people don't. I like it because you can see everything exactly what's happening at all times. Random.org is not always easy to read on the camcorder. Alright, so there is the team deck, and I will cut it with my referee card here. Oh. There it goes, pull the ref up on the bottoms, I need them in a minute. And the jersey cards. You know what, I better count these just to make sure that they're like, count the purple deck. $930. Oh, I love it when its plan comes together. Okay. And I'll show you the serial of the box and mark up the box as I always do with this as well. So there is a timestamp and a marked up box to show you that this is only done once and not no shenanigans involved. It's also live on Blog TV as well, so lots of witnesses in case of tomfoolery, shenanigans, or whatever another adjective would be. Alright, here is the ref into the cut. Pull the ref out. There we go. And here is a serial number ending in 046. And I will mark it up. 46B, circle him. There's the serial there. Rookie Bitter promo. There we go. All right, so let's move it out of the way a little bit there, and here we go. Good luck. So I will draw the jersey number first, and then the team card. So we have Cam Neely, so that would be slot number 8. His jersey number is number 8. So slot number 8 gets Montreal Canadiens. And I'll write that down. How about that, huh? That's how it works. We have Mike Modano, slot number 9. He gets Tampa Bay. 9 is Tampa Bay. Slot number 28, Claude Giroux. You get the Jets. 28 gets Winterpeg. Niedermeyer, number 27, slot number 27, gets the Islanders. Stevie Y, number 19, none other than, gets the Devils. I have now. Number 21, Drew Stafford, you get, hey, Buffalo, right on. 21's for Buffalo, gets Buffalo. Number 16, Clark MacArthur, you score the Rangers, which this year is a good thing. 16 Rangers. New York Rangers. For Joe's World. Matt Sundin, number 13. Get St. Louis. Number 18, Denny Savard, legend. You get Philly. Might be trading the works there with Dave Areno. Number 2, Luke Shen from the Leafs. It's an older card, sorry. Slot 2 gets Detroit. Craig Duke. Number 4, Vinny Lecavalier. You get Dallas. Number 26, Thomas Vanek. You get the Avs. Colorado. Number 6, Shea Weber. You get Chicago. Number 14, Jamie Benn. You get Nashville. Number 5, Nick Lidstrom. You get Vancouver. Peanut gets Vancouver. Number 10, Corey Perry. You get Toronto. Matt K gets Toronto. He's a Leafs fan, I believe. Hope he's live. 22, Tiger Williams. Greatest handle in hockey. You get San Jose. Greek 22 hockey. Okay, Greek 22 hockey gets slot 20. Oh, that's cool. Slot number 1, Bobby Lou. You get Washington. Elk Killer. Number 7, Paul Coffey. You get LA. Crunch 38. 23, David Clarkson. Glorious really bad today, sorry. 23, Clarkson. You get Ottawa. Number 11, the Moose, Messier. You get Calgary. $12, McGinley. This glare's terrible. It's a little better. 12, McGinley. You get Pittsburgh. The real Kennedy. Number 20, Ed Belfour. You get Anaheim. Number 30, Tim Thomas. You get the oil. Very good. Wrangler Nation, you have scored Edmonton. And unfortunately, this year is not quite as good as last year. Chris Chelios, number 24. You get Boston. Sorry, man. 29, Marc-Andre Fleury. That's Flower Girl. You get Florida. From Germany, I believe. FLA for you. 17, Kovalchuk. You get Columbus. Number 3, Dion Phaneuf. You get the Oats. Phoenix Coyotes for Vanderbeek. Couple left. We have Ryan Getzlaf, number 15. You get Minnesota. Matt Kay gets Minnesota. And the final one, final card, final slot, Maxime Talbot, number 25. Anybody remember who this is? You get Carolina. 25 for Carolina. Alright, so here's the list. If we can all read that, I'll post this up to the forum ASAP. There'll be a 24-hour trading window. Please post your trades in the forum thread. Again, the email was had the link in it, and both parties have to confirm a trade. And we'll go from there. And we break this tomorrow night. So once again, thank you all for participating in the Rookie Bidder promo. 643boxbreaks.com. Hope you like what you see there so far. Hope you enjoy this break, and hope to see you all in the auctions and the Buy It Now football, Buy Now hockey, everything we have on the site. So check it out. Feel free, and thanks a lot. 46 Blitz signing off. Bye bye.